Howdy everyone, it's Vivian Resnick, 1% listing realtor in Tampa Bay, Florida. I have a new listing and want to share it with you. Let's take a tour.
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina, doce Bahia. Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria, doce Bahia.
Remember, if you'd like to save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at listforlessflorida.com or vivianresnick.com. Don't forget to follow me here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You can hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.